Yes, guys, this is video 1 out of the 5 videos where we're going to cover all of chemistry paper 1 revision. So the first topic is going to be atomic structure and the periodic table. Firstly, in an atom, you have protons, neutrons, and electrons. Let's talk about their mass first, okay? Protons, their mass is 1. Neutrons, their mass is 1. And then electrons, they pretty much have no mass. You ignore it. It's very, very, very little, like 0.0005. Atomic mass of an atom, because protons and neutrons weigh 1, it's the number of protons and the number of neutrons in the atom. That's the atomic mass. And the atomic number is just the total number of protons. Remember that the number of protons and electrons are always the same in a neutral atom. Isotopes are atoms with the same element. Within the same element, they have the same number of protons, but the number of neutrons is different. That's why the mass number will be different, because neutrons have mass. The key scientists that you need to know for the history of an atom is Dalton, Rutherford, Thomson, and Bohr. I think Bohr is how you say his name. Rutherford is the one who discovered the nucleus using the golden foil experiment. And you have to make sure you understand the timeline of how the atomic model has been improved by these scientists over time. Okay, moving on to the periodic table. Firstly, remember that the whole table is organized according to the atomic number. And then you have the metals on the left-hand side and the non-metals on the right-hand side. Now let's move on to the actual groups of the periodic table. Firstly, anything in the same group will have similar properties, okay? So similar melting point, similar boiling point. So group 1, for example, alkali metals. These become more reactive as you go down. They are soft metals, or that's what they're known as. And also they are very reactive with water. They react with water. Then you have group 7, which is the halogens. They become less reactive as you go down the group. And they are the non-metals, which is on the right-hand side. For example, H2. And why is it H2, you may ask? Because these elements, they come in pairs. They always come together. They form diatomic molecules. Diatomic molecules basically means it's two atoms that are formed together. Finally, you have group 0, which is the noble gases. They are very unreactive because they have full electron outer shells. And one more note I'd like to add is that the group number, so for example, group 7, group 2, group 1, that is the number of electrons that are on the outer shell. So group 0, it's 0. It's full. I'm trying to keep these videos under 3 minutes, guys. This should be enough for you guys to cover revision for all of chemistry paper 1. But remember, this is just revision, not learning.